Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove member from Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our Instagram application and open the group chat you want to remove someone from. I'm just going to open my Instagram group chat. We can go to the Instagram direct messages and I'm going to remove member from this group chat. I'm going to open it, then we can click on the group chat's name on the top. Then you can go to the people option to see the members. And for your information, I'm an admin of this group chat, so I have authority to kick someone from this group chat. And I'm going to remove this member. For example, we can click on the three dots and then just click on remove user. Okay, and I'm going to click on it and just wait. Okay, and now as you can see guys that this member or the member has been removed from this Instagram group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove member from Instagram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.